Hey everyone, how's it going? So I've been getting a lot of requests to draw some more Spider-Man and some more Venom videos, so I thought it'd be fun to kind of combine both of them. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Venom fighting Spider-Man. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Spider-Man versus Venom, we're going to begin with Spider-Man. Now, we're going to begin by drawing a little circle shape right up here, or kind of more of an oval. So we're just going to come down, and we're going to come up. We're going to leave a little bit of space right there. Next, starting here, we're going to draw a little line that comes down. And we're going to draw a little line right in here. Next, starting here, we're going to make a little line here. Then we're going to draw a little line that's going to come up and down. We'll make a line that comes out, and then we're going to bring it down here. I want to make a line that's going to come out, and then bring it back, and another one out and back, and one more out and back here. Make a little bump here. Then we're going to make a little line that's going to come out and bring it back here for the thumb. Starting here, we're going to bring this up, bring this down and into here. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down and in. Another one's going to come down and in here for the chest. Next, we're going to bring this line down and in. Draw a line that's going to come down, and then we're going to curve it up here. Then we're going to bring a little line in here and a little line up. We'll make a little line that comes down and then back up to here. Right here, we're going to make a little line that comes in. Now right here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down for the shoulder. Then we're going to bring this down and in. And another one's going to come down here. Draw a little line that comes in, and a little line that's going to come out and in here. Draw a little line that's going to go out, and it's going to come around for a thumb. We'll make a couple little bumps here. We're just going to make a few little bumps, and then for some fingers. We'll bring this down, and we're going to make a line that's going to come up. We're going to go up here and down. And a little line that comes in. Next, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down and then back up for the other foot. Bring this in, and then right over here for the other part of the leg. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down, and then we're going to swing it back around here. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come up. We're going to go down and then bring it over. Then we're going to bring this line down and in. We're going to make another little line that comes down. Now to begin with Venom. So I'm going to start right over here, and I'm going to begin by making a line that's going to curve up, and then it's going to come back here. And then right here I'm going to make a little line that's going to come down. It's going to come out like this for the mouth. Then we're going to draw a little line that's going to come down and then up here. Now I'm going to add some of his like jagged, sharp, pointy teeth in here. And we're going to put some more kind of jagged, sharp teeth right here. Then we're going to make a long, kind of curvy, wavy line for his tongue. We'll make a little line that comes up here. And I'll bring a little line up here. Next, bring a line that comes over and then comes up. Now for his eyes, we're going to draw a little line that's going to come up and then it's going to go, or in, that's going to come out. We'll do the same thing up here. He's got these kind of like bumpy, kind of pointy, wavy lines. I'm going to make a little line that curves out here. And then we're going to make a big bump right here. Make another one that comes here. And we're going to come over. We're going to come down and up here. Then we're going to make a line that's going to come up and down. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up to a point, and then it's going to come down for one of the fingers. Make another one here. Make one here. Leave a little space, and we'll make another one that comes right here. We'll draw this line down, and we'll make a line that comes out and then back. That'll be kind of like where his thumb is. Starting up here, we'll make a line that curves up and down. Line that comes up and out. And then one that comes right up here towards Spider-Man's face. We're going to make a line that's going to go out, and then it's going to come down here. Make this come up to a point, and then down. Another one comes to a point and back. We'll make one here. And one more here and then up. Draw a line that's going to come down to a point. It's going to curve around for that thumb. And we'll draw a little line that's going to come back down. A line that curves up, and another one's going to come back down. Make a line that's going to come down here for the chest. Make a couple little curved lines so it looks like his body's kind of bending. Then we're going to make a line that comes down and in. We'll make a little line that's going to come up. And a little line that's going to come back. Draw a line that's going to come down. It's going to curve around and back here for his foot. Make a line that's going to come up. And a line that's going to come down here. Make another line here. And a line that's going to come down. I'll make a line that's going to come up and down. The line that's going to come up. It's going to curve around and then come back here. Next, we're going to bring this line over, and then we're going to bring it up for his knee and his leg. We'll add a couple little curved lines right here. And we'll make a couple little lines right around here, right around his jaw. For his big design, let's make two little points like this on his chest. Make a line that comes up, and then we're going to go over. Make one here. Kind of do that same thing here. One more here, and then one right here. Or make a line that's going to come down, go up and down. Bring this up. And we're going to go over and in. And we'll go over and in. Then we'll add a couple more little lines here to show where those other legs are. Now for Venom, I'm going to add some little curved lines for his claws. And I like to add a couple little extra lines on there for more detail. Do the same thing here. A couple little lines on here for like some of his muscles and stuff. A couple more here. A couple little lines here. Some over here. A couple of lines right there. And a few more kind of right around his foot and everything. Now for Spider-Man, I'm just going to add a little bit of more of like a black line right around his eye. Kind of clean it up a little bit. I'm going to add like two little curved lines right here. And then we're going to add just the simple little design on here by making the little legs. A little detail in there. Then we're going to add a little line in here. We'll add a couple little curved lines. We'll add a couple little lines on here. And then I'm going to add some little lines right on here, and then a couple more coming down here show where some of his like suit designs are. I'm going to make just some quick little lines coming down here. Nothing too crazy, but we're just going to add a few little lines and then some more kind of coming across here for a little bit of detail. We'll do a couple more on here too. We'll add a couple little lines right by his foot and over here by the knee. And a couple here. Now the last thing I'm going to do is, and if you want to, you can go ahead, you can add like, you know, his web in here if you want to. I'm actually going to leave the web out, but that's always something you can add in here. You just have to kind of draw some little lines coming up. But there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.